Tasty chicken Caesar salad recipe. Once you've learned how to make this easy Caesar salad dressing, you will never want to buy shop bought again. You need to get 1 large pita bread and cut it up into cubes. Then drizzle some olive oil in a heated griddle pan. Place the pita bread in and gently but evenly mix round for a few moments until they're golden and crisp, then place to the side to cool. Then in a food processor or a blender, add 1 crushed garlic clove, 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar and 3 anchovies, along with 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 15 grams of grated Parmesan cheese. Then mix to combine. The mixture is quite thick, so what I like to do is add around 2 tablespoons of warm water, and then you're going to blitz again. This then makes it smooth and a lot easier to pour. Now, to make a chicken Caesar salad, you're going to need things like lettuce, some cucumber. I like to add some cherry tomatoes and red onion, and of course some nice chopped chicken. Add over that delicious dressing you've just made, along with those crunchy croutons, and for a final flourish, add some more grated Parmesan. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes, and the full written recipe is on my website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.